Here are 3 PowerPoint morph effects you'll want to try in your next presentation. We'll kick things off with a sliding letter animation. Start by creating a text box and typing your very first letter. Once it's on the slide, customize it however you like. Increase the size, change the font, and pick a color. Copy and paste that text box, change it to the next letter, and repeat until you've spelled out the full word. When you're done, select all the letters and position them in the middle of the slide. If you'd like, you can also add a second word in a new text box underneath. Next, go to the Transitions tab and apply the Morph transition. Duplicate the slide, then return to the first version. Drag all the letters off the slide, and once they're out of frame, select every letter except the first and move them slightly downward. Stagger them a little more as you go, so they don't sit in a perfect line. When you preview it, you'll see a smooth sliding effect. And that's your first animation complete. If you're finding this helpful so far, subscribing really helps support the channel. The second effect is a sliding shape animation. Begin by drawing 3 equal-sized shapes. Change the color of each one. I'm going with different shades of green. Create a title and copy this across each of your shapes. Now you can paste your first image and place it somewhere in the first box. To crop the image into a circle, select the picture, go to Picture Format, click the drop-down arrow under Crop, then choose Crop to Shape and select the circle. Adjust it until it's nice and even. Copy and paste that image across your other slides. Then right-click and choose Change Picture if you want to quickly replace it with another. Once your images and titles are set, group each shape with its content. Do this for all 3. Then select them together, copy them, and paste them onto the slide before. Move them down to the bottom and stagger them slightly. For an even smoother transition, select the content from the previous slide and copy it. Now go to your second slide and paste everything. Make sure you right-click on it and send it to the back so that you can't see them anymore. For the third effect, I already have a slide set up with a title and image. Select your text, go to Shape Format and open the Format pane. Under Text Options, choose the middle outer shadow to make the title pop. If your image has a background you don't want, select the picture, go to Picture Format and click Remove Background. Now select your subject using the green pen. And if you've made a mistake, use the Mark Areas to Remove tool. This can be a little fiddly, so take your time. Next, I'm moving the title up slightly to make space for a block of text. As you can see, I've got another photo of a cell. I'm going to duplicate it and start decorating the slide with it. You can use any image you want for this. Select them all. You can do this by holding Command on Mac or Shift on Windows to grab everything. Then add a soft shadow in Picture Format. When you're happy with the layout, duplicate the slide. On the first version, move your text block off the slide. Bring the title into the center, drag the images out of frame, and shrink the main image slightly. Finally, apply the morph transition between the 2 slides. And now you're finished.